ジュニアなんとかってやつ見えないかな。
Hopefully you weren't followed or anything, right? No? All right, good. Well then, welcome to the workshop. Woo, thank you. You're stunned, I can tell. It's a lot, I know. To us, this is everything. Now that's Nicole, that's Christina, that's Allie, and you may call me Hembe. And this may look like a lot of old junk. Let me clarify something. Some of this is new junk. Good reason, so allow me to explain. You see, we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. For we search the galaxy for ancient relics. We look at abandoned places, forgotten outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find out there, we gather and bring here to our workshop. So where a stormtrooper will hopefully see nothing but worthless clutter, those who know will see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. Now, we've all heard the legend of Luke Skywalker. Yes? Good. We hear there is another, a new Jedi. Have you heard of the one they call Rey? Yes, good. Well, what Rey is leading is the spark of hope we have all been waiting for. That is why you are here, to look ahead to the future. And you're also here today for something else. You're here today for something special. You're here to build this. A lightsaber. Now, the lightsaber has been wielded by some of the galaxy's greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art, for the saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. Today, my friends, you will feel that connection. But enough talk. Let us begin. We start with perhaps the most important part of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the Force, to magnify it. Some say the Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. Now, the color of your crystal will determine the color of your blade. You might recognize these from our myths, our legends, our history. Blue, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now we hear Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and of course, Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal. Beautiful and rare, like the one wielded by the great Jedi warrior Mace Windu. Red, the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader. And now, Kylo Ren. These are the stories of the past. Today we are here for you, our future. You will now choose your Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Builders, close your eyes and picture it. What crystal is calling out to you? What color do you see in your mind? Now, open your eyes and take your crystal. But remember, friends, that Kyber crystal might be choosing you. Well done, friends. Now, if you haven't already, place your crystal on the green crystal holder in front of you. It is time to combine your crystal with the unique lightsaber design we have selected. You're going to be building your hilt. Now, the hilt is the foundation of the lightsaber and the center of control. The hilt is also the thing that keeps your hand from being disintegrated, so it's important. In the boxes in front of you, you'll find all the components you need to construct your very own lightsaber. They have been arranged by our gatherers to facilitate this build. Here you will find your chassis, your activation plates, your grips, your emitter, and your pommel cap. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you have selected your Kyber crystal, you will now select the individual components that will make up your own unique lightsabers design. Our gatherers are here to help. Please follow their instruction and advice. All right, friends? Let's build.
Alright, for sons. So first we'll start with this, the chassis, the open part facing up. Next you're gonna take your kyber crystal. So in the middle, there's a spring up top with like a little circle indent in the center. You're gonna want to push the kyber crystal up into the indent up top. I find that the pointier part's easier too. Yeah. So it should help grip it so you can slide it in the bottom. And it should be centered and you should light up. We're good. Alright. So here, head over to number 5 next to take a set of activation plates. One center the other side. Now on your chassis there's a blue red square. On the back of your activation plate is one of those same colors. You want to line them up together.
And just give that switch a slide. So next you're going to choose the sleeve that you want to hold in your
Once you have them on, you're going to want to test your activation switch. Slide up and back down to the same sound.
right to go towards the bottom. And you're going
Are
to
they
push and
pressed
twist.
together?
You're just going to push and twist.
If they're not, then the colors might not be locked up.
So you're going to do the same exact thing on top. Again with that gray band going towards it.
Should line up there. Yeah. So you're going to choose 2 of those 4 grips. One for the top and bottom.
Okay.
Yeah, you can mix and match them.
Top?
Either side. Yeah, they can go on either side. Go ahead and test that switch now. So you're going to choose 2 of these 4 grips. One for the top and bottom. You can put them on either side, mix them apart if you like. And then the wider silver side to go towards the middle. You're going to twist it to the right, give it some pressure until it's loose. Flip it the other
If
way.
you hold it upside down and put it on, you
So that side goes towards the middle. Yes.
Ah, okay.
And then you're going to twist it to the right, give it some pressure. And still twist.
Twist.
Yeah, give it some pressure,
Okay.
and it should stop. Yep, there you go.
That's going to
Same thing on the other side.
When Kendall says activate, we're just going to do it together.
Very good, my friends. This is coming together nicely.
And you can take your pin out.
Once you're happy with it,
Very
you're
good.
good. Just give it a-
Good. First to complete. How do you feel? Great. Great. How did you choose this style?
Final choice will be your help.
Flip it the other way. So take it off. And
The other side.
Are you happy with your choices? May I give it a safety check?
Alright, looks good. So one of these 2 will go up top.
Good. You're correct.
Activate.
You don't let this girl breathe, right?
Slide over your butt.
Thank you for not going about it his way. You're going everyone down and stealing it. I appreciate it.
So one of these
So we have to do it. Good. These are powerful
One of these
pieces,
two.
Sith components, yes? Did you know those are Sith?
No, so
What
one
color
of these
crystal
2.
did you choose? Of course. Well done.
Yeah.
Good. Well,
Yeah.
the Sith, they teach us to follow our passion. Passion leads to strength, to power, to victory. Victory over what is up to you, my friends. Choose wisely, yes? Very good. Well done. Got Sith components over here as well. How do we feel? Great. Great. Beautiful design. Good. What color crystal did we choose? What color did we choose? Green. Interesting. That's a Jedi crystal. Put it into a Sith lightsaber. I like that.
Alright, you like
Yeah,
it?
they say the wisest Jedi choose green crystals. This might be a wise decision, I think. Jedi and Sith together. Definite proof you should never judge anything by its outward appearance, right? Excellent. Well done, my friend. Use it wisely, use it well, yes? Very good. Beautiful designs, my
That's it.
friends.
I'm gonna go ahead and check it.
Ah, yes.
So when Kennedy says activate, you'll slide up. Deactivate, slide it down. Alright. Congratulations.
Very nice. How do you feel? Yes. Feeling it. Good. These are great pieces. Very good. Republic era. Clone War era pieces, yeah? A lot of great warriors used them before you tried to bring peace and justice back. So good. We need more heroes. What color crystal did you choose?
Violet.
Oh, very balanced crystal. The violet crystal is a Jedi crystal that's been pushed towards the dark side. You have to keep that balance.
Yes.
You ready for that?
Yes.
All right, very good. It's a challenge, but I think you're up to it. Like all these sabers might be challenging to you, my friends. You never know where they might take you. Just remember, you're the wielder, right? Not the other way around. Very good. Excellent, my friends. Powerful pieces. There you go. All right, very powerful. Very good, my friend. It is, I know. You have to train with it. We only call them lightsabers. They are pretty heavy, but the more you train, the lighter it'll feel. So how do you feel in this saber? Very heavy. You'll get there, my friend. What color crystal did you choose? Blue, the crystal of the Jedi Knights, protectors of the galaxy. Very good. Are you ready to wield this saber? Yes? Are we all ready, my friends?
I heard about the black crystal.
Oh, that's harder to find. But who knows? Maybe your path will lead to it. In fact, who knows where your path will lead, my friends? Take a moment, clear your mind. Hold your hand out towards your saber and see your path open before you. Whatever that path may be. Now it is time for you to back away. Take a big step back and allow room for our gatherers. But we must now stabilize your kyber crystal. Now our gatherers are placing your hilts into our crystal stabilization chambers. This is a delicate step. It must be done carefully by someone who's well trained and experienced. We're doing it to make sure our components work in harmony so we don't have a misfire or an explosion. Basically, I don't want any more holes in my ceiling. But don't worry. Wait, what's happening?
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda. Yes, it is indeed time to take that first step. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. My friends, in a moment I will invite you to step forward and place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber. Then on my command, you will all activate your lightsabers together. Builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Then it is time. Step forward. Place your hand on your hilt and activate. Now, raise your lightsaber. Congratulations, my friends. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and the Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can now change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes one spark. Well done, my friends. Please deactivate and lower your lightsaber.
Complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny you seek, your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master. Now in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your newly built lightsabers, we are issuing you a saber sheath which you can collect as you leave our workshop today. Well, my friends, our time has come to an end. But your journey is just beginning. You are as unique and extraordinary as the saber you have built. It is time to make your mark across the galaxy. Or who knows, next time, we may be telling your story. Now, raise your lightsaber once more and activate! Till the spire! The galaxy awaits, my friends, and you can lead us right through that door. Travel safe, my friends. Remember, keep training, it'll get lighter. And if a stormtrooper has crew got days we never met.
Ryuk wa
We're
Ryuk.
here, right? Travel safe. And with you, my friends. Thank you. Thank you.
あんたリュック忘れてるよ。
あ、でっかい。